Hi, this is Greg Lowe. This is another video in the SDU Tools series. This covers 4 tools: script user-defined server roles and the permissions associated with those, and script user-defined database roles and the permissions associated with those. Let's take a look. We'll start in the master database, and I'll create a server role called Diagnostics Team. And I'll give it a permission called alter trace, which is the one that allows it to run profiler style traces. Now, if we look at the database that I'm working in, database name here is actually the name of my database, and I want to script user-defined server roles. We'll look at those, and we can see it'll script out that role. In fact, it might be easier if let's make it results to text, and I'll do that again. So you should be able to see, so this is sort of scripting it out in a form we could use it. I've then got an option here to script the permissions that have been associated with that, and notice it was grant alter trace to the diagnostics team, and we'll drop that. Now in the database, I could create a database role called procedure writers and give them permission to create a procedure and to view definition. That allows you to look at the definition of objects. Now, this one here is a procedure because it needs to be able to change database, but I've said, look, script user-defined database roles from that database and output the SQL, and I've used our execute or print tool to print out the results because it allows for big strings. Run that, and so create role, here's procedure writers, authorization DBO, and if we again want the permissions associated with that, we've got grant create procedure to procedure writers and view definition to procedure writers. And so that gives the permission to script all server and database user-defined roles and the permissions associated with those. I hope you find these tools useful. For more information on SDU Tools and for a link to download them, please visit our site at sqldownunder.com.